Alright guys, I'm back in part 2 of Find the Markers. Oh, and there's a marker here. If you scroll on your mouse, you can go across, then you click that. But I already have it, so if you want to get the marker, you can. It's just at the home screen when you join in, so you want to do that. So now, let's see what I want to find. I want to find the bone marker. I think you guys remember last time how rubbish that was. Meteors just went everywhere. But now I'm not going to press that TNT part because that just destroyed my life. So I'm going to go over here and jump up here. I think this is a quicker way. Yeah, that's a quicker way. Okay, let's go up here. Bone marker, where are you? Oh, there he is. Okay, we got the bone marker. What's the next one? Dream marker. While I'm up here, I probably should get the rest and probably show you guys some. Oh god. Oh jeez, what is this? What? Oh, it's on here. I don't want to press dynamite. I don't want to click dynamite, please. Please don't make me. I'm not a fan of that dynamite. I don't know what to do there. Who cares? I'm just gonna think. Wait, what? Wait, what? Sawana? Or Sawana? Bro, what? Bro, what the? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What is this? Capitalist marker. Ah, okay. Oh, and I died. Oof. Alright, so let me see. We will go for the dream. I can never get off my mattress. Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. It's obviously over here. Not in the Washable Kingdom, though. It's probably like in one of these. Maybe up here. That's the baby marker if you want to get it. And then you have to go to the big orange marker and just go over and say, hey, I got your baby. Then you can get the big orange marker. Alright, so I gotta go up here, and then I gotta go up here. Not there. Great. Next one. That's the guy if you just click that. Then it just goes like, come on. Then you gotta just walk into it, and you got this one. I already have it, but you can get that if you want. Alright, so I'm gonna go, I think the battery one is, oh no. Alright, so let's go up here. Not there again. Sponge. Suspicious. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go over here now. Oh, hello. Alright, so it's over here. Definitely, it has to. Dream, really? I just need the dream. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, what? Oh, I already have him. Okay, that is a little sus, but I'm gonna take that wrench anyways. Why not? Because I think there's a vent part where you have to do like, here he is. Dream marker. Got him. Okay, so I'll just go to find where that vent is. I think it's in the factory, because I know that hammer. Oh no, wait, it's I gotta go to the sewers first. Is that down here? Down here. I want to get weird slime marker. Okay, so this vent. I had the hammer. Yes, I got it. Let's go in. Come on, let me in. There we go. We get to get this marker. This is the Quagmire marker. Alright, so that's one of them. You need to get the hammer where what I got. Then you gotta get rid of that. Then you gotta click enter. Then this, I think I already have. So I was gonna go, where was I gonna go? Okay, I'll do the lava jump marker and try hill rock. What's hill rock? What is this? Hey, thief marker. Okay, got a free marker. Yeah, and this is another marker. You can get that. I think I already done that in the last video, but whoa, what is this? What is that? Alright. Just gonna go in here. Here is the lava jump mark. Okay, and I already died. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that because last video I just got completely crazy. Lavender marker. Forest biome. Alright. Okay. Forest biome. Here's the forest biome. So that's a snow one. If you want to get that. Where could this be? Wait, what is it? Lavender. Okay. Betcha he's somewhere over here. Alright, so what you want to do for this is you want to find the entrance there. Then you gotta find, it's like an invisible maze. There we go. And then you get, I have the transparent marker. That's a pretty cool one, I gotta say. So where is this place? So wanna? Where? Oh, there we go. Then here that is. It can't be in the Candyland because they said it's in the forest biome, so somewhere. Oh, it's like okay. Forest. No, not the magenta marker. Forest biome. I'm in the forest. Oh, wait. Could be our other forest biome. This one. Oh. Oh yeah, that weird glitching block. That was the one that I think was the lavender marker. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It helped me a lot. You see, remember this? Let's go into it. Here it is. Yep, that's definitely it. Oh, okay. Next one. Magenta marker. She's in the snow biome. Don't walk on her. In on her. Wait, what? Okay. That sounds a little... Alright, so I gotta go to... She's in the snow biome. Alright, so she's definitely over here. Oh, remember I got the quest marker. Yeah, he goes different places, so you want to catch him before he goes. So where could the magenta marker be? This is a big thing. Maybe it's over here? It couldn't be because it's an easy. So I doubt it'd be in Candyland. So it's definitely not in this obby. I know that for sure. I've done this obby, but it's really hard. Like I mean, it is hard. So where's this now? So I will check. I have actually no clue. Oh, it could be back here. Let me see. No. Magenta marker. It says, don't. She's in the snow biome. Don't walk in on her. I don't know what that means. Walk in on her. Wait, could it be in here? Couldn't be. Oh, and if 5 people sit down, then you can get the couch marker. But right now, there's no one that's there right now. Alright, so what is this? Just click that for no reason. What's in here? Ah, there it is. Okay. So now the next one is old marker on the shelves in PO shop. I just noticed over in this big building over here. That quest marker's been there for ages. I don't know how that's still there. Okay, let's go in here. Should be up here somewhere. This is... Oh, there he is. He is right up here. There we go. Got the whole marker. Sakar was here. Sakri was here. Okay. Permanent marker. Hint. Factory biome. Oh, I know where this is. I know where this is exactly. Okay, so it's over here. This is the last marker I'll find for you guys. I will do a part 3 if you like and subscribe. Oh, hello. Time marker. Nice. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do part 3 of this. And yeah, you probably really wanted part 3 of this, but yeah. Right, so it's not. Oh, could be here. It's definitely here. Yeah. Wait, it's somewhere. It's in here. It's in here. There he is. Okay, I'll leave it at that, guys. So please like and subscribe for part 3. See ya. Bye.